Hi, Herschel Bentley here, and today I want to let you know that many of our members have come from all different walks of life, and many have just come across National Credit Federation from, quite frankly, different places. I want to take just the time right now to explain to you in detail why we have a number of attorneys on retainer as well as in-house counsel. You see, when you come to work with us, you're going to be working with an attorney that's highly experienced in credit bureau law. In fact, you're not going to get a lawyer that hasn't handled thousands of cases successfully for us before they ever get yours. Additionally, these attorneys are masters at being able to challenge the credit bureaus, back them into a legal corner, and force the permanent removal of the kinds of items on a credit report that would cause you to be rejected or turned down when you're applying for credit. The legal basis for our attorneys' success is the rights available to you through a series of 6 consumer protection laws, most notably the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And I've got to tell you, this act has 31 sections that total just over 34,000 words, which is why you might have heard that when people try to dispute with the credit bureaus themselves, they usually spend more time and money and ultimately don't get the results they really want. Your legal team is going to prepare an actual legal challenge. And one of the things that separates us from other organizations out there that may consider themselves our competitor is that any and all communication that is sent to the credit bureaus on your behalf is going from your attorney's office on your attorney's letterhead signed by your attorney, who, as I mentioned earlier, has handled thousands of cases successfully before they ever got yours. With that said, at the conclusion of this investigation, your attorney is going to demand, and the law requires, that the credit bureaus send to you an updated copy of that credit report. This update is going to have a cover letter to provide you an itemized listing of the individual items that have been challenged, as well as a status report as to where those items stand in the overall process of being deleted or permanently erased from your credit report. Now, what we normally see is about 30 to 50% of the negative items coming off in that very first round. But what does that mean? Well, it means that 50 to 70% is still on there. But don't sweat it. This is where we roll our sleeves up and we're going to start to force the validation process, which ultimately means the credit agencies have to prove to us the credit problem actually happened. So, similar to any legal appeal, we're going to force a new review and continue these challenges until either the item has been deleted or has been corrected. You're going to be pleased to know that our average member sees an increase in their credit score of about 127 points within 4 to 6 months, which, as you might know, is a huge boost in a credit score. So that's it for today. You have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.